In Thailand, so many electric cars. Chinese electric cars. How to charge electric cars here? Side of the road only. And have meter connect here. So you see how to charge car, electric car in the Thailand.